home.
Guys, let's go. Our new house.
Look how big our house now.
Yeah.
Look how big is that. Look at our bathroom, baby boy. Look, we have this bath.
Of course, let's go outside now.
Let's see. This is our...
Aju, ¿cómo está? So, Selina, what's happening?
I'm packing.
You're packing already?
Yeah, packing.
Yeah, a packing day. Finally, we can get out from this.
Packing and moving day.
Oh, no. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Then I feel stressed.
Huh?
I feel stressed.
We also we have to pack and pack there.
There's so much work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I have to go to the Robinson. I have to take out lots of money. We have to pay one rent ahead and 2 month deposit. So I will go Robinson. I will take some money out. Yeah. And I will buy some plastic bags also. Oh my god, it's so nice weather today. We were worried about yesterday that it's gonna raining, you know. Then that would be so bad. Do we have fuel? Oh, we have a little bit. It's okay.
We ain't good, baby.
We're in Robinson. Damn, look at this. There's no people at all. Damn, that's so nice. It's gonna be completely empty. Hello, ¿cómo estamos? Mayora. Ayo. We have to take so much money out. It's just crazy. Damn, it's so sad. But I need to go to the department store. I need to buy the plastic bag. Oh my goodness, damn guys, I didn't want to stay in the Robinson in the line, and now I'm searching in the town the trash bags. So I have to go to the Lee hypermarket. Yeah, damn, here. Hello sir, ¿cómo está? Here they even have a bigger line, which is gonna be even more annoying. Hello, ¿cómo está? Hello, how are you? Oh wow, I didn't see a big line. Maybe we're gonna be lucky. Hello, ¿cómo estamos? Where do you have the trash bag? I don't know. Where are the dress bags, guys? Where do you have the dress bags?
Dress bag.
Yeah. Hello, sir. ¿Cómo está? My buntag. Oh wow, thank you, boss. Thank you so much. 0.8 USD, one piece. Damn, it's so cheap. If I buy this in a Robinson, I have to pay 200 one roll. Damn, I'm coughing so much. I have so much stress, you know, anxiety inside of me. Damn, I've been coughing all morning. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. 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 Hello, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Where's the baby?
Sleeping.
Oh, wow. Do you want to see how much money we have to give her?
Let me see. Where is it?
Here.
Oh my god. So this is how much? Dama never hold this much money. Dama need to...
You want to count it?
I want to feel it. Oh my god.
With this money, you can buy NMAX.
Yeah.
If you want to.
Yeah, you can buy NMAX.
Yeah, you can buy
this,
it doesn't matter what kind of, the best
NMAX
scooters.
already.
The NMAX.
Yeah.
I went outside already. We got the truck. We're gonna start moving right away. Look, Selina, we got the house keys.
This is our house key.
Yeah.
You also hold not see clink
Yeah.
clink clink in your mud.
We got the camera also connected.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
We got the camera, everything.
Everything, Wi-Fi, everything.
Everything.
Wi-Fi is the first thing.
So guys, let's start packing.
Yeah.
Let's put the first carload full. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, of course.
So basically, look.
Ding 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 ding.
There's so much stuff fit here.
Wow.
And this place is also full. We are moving finally.
Finally,
Yeah.
we're moving. Oh wow, you have a very nice parking here at the back.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Baby, are you ready? Let's see. Ah, yeah. Oh my god. Welcome to our new home.
Guys, let's go. Our new house.
Let us see. Is the icon off?
Look at this. We have even this on. Look.
Oh, let us see our house.
Yeah.
Oh wow, they changed the cover.
Mm.
Oh my god.
Look at this fancy
Oh
place.
wow, they clean it.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, that's our first room
Yeah.
without the aircon. Let's see the other room.
That's our office room.
This is the office room.
Damn, look how much space we have.
Yeah, you have closet. Oh,
Yeah.
you have office room here.
Everything is so clean, right?
Oh wow, they clean
Guys,
it.
check
Wow.
this. What we can do here in the Philippines. Look at this. Look, I'm just drinking water. Straight from the ground.
Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
Let's see the other room. Oh my god, I got so excited in here.
Yeah, look at this. How much space
We have the bar. This is our bar.
Yeah.
This is the
The other room.
third room.
Yeah, that's the
Turn
third
around.
room.
It's the third room.
Yeah, look at it with the fan and with the nice
The
aircon.
nice aircon and the CR here.
Yeah, that's the CR.
This is the
That's the first
guest CR.
CR. Yeah.
Look at there. Look at our CR.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You have
Damn,
a
look
nice
how much
shower.
room.
Yeah,
Damn,
you.
look how much room. Yeah.
Now we can shower together.
Yeah,
We don't
damn.
need to fight too.
So much room.
Look at this. This is our bathroom. Then the baby just looking like.
Of course.
Here's our.
That's the washing.
Turn the light on.
Yeah, that's where we can do
Let's
the
do
washing.
the tour.
Look,
This
they even
is
give
our
us Samsung washing
We have
machine.
the washing machine.
So we have two
washing
washing machines now, yeah.
See outside.
Yeah.
Look at that. We can. Oh wow, we can hang the clothes here
Yeah, of
easily.
course. Yeah, of course, of course, of
Close
course.
it. Let's see to our room, the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't see this one. We can put our stuff
Yeah.
here.
Oh my goodness, damn. Look how deep it is. It's
We can put the beddings and everything
yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah. The baby toys, you know. You don't have to put them on that room.
Yeah. Turn the light in the master bedroom.
Oh wow, look at this. We have this
What
here.
is that?
That's a fan.
Oh really?
I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Where's the light?
The light is here.
Oh, the
Yeah, you
light.
can-
Oh my goodness, you can turn the light.
Yeah, you can set it. You can set the mood.
Oh my god, I have TV inside the room.
Yeah, you didn't know.
No.
Yeah, you have a TV here. You have
Yeah.
two TVs.
So I have TV here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot.
Yeah, look at this. That's your garderobe.
This is my favorite room. This is my favorite spot. Oh my god, I can put all my clothes here. Now all my clothes, I can hang it now.
Yeah.
I'll be like, oh my god.
And
And
then
that's for my bag. What is in
I
here?
don't know. You can put the bags over there everywhere.
This is for my makeup. Oh my god. Oh, now I can use my white chair.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
one
yeah.
you bought.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can use it.
Go there. Look
I
at
hope
this place.
it's clean.
Look at the bathroom here.
Look at our bathroom, baby boy. Look, we have this bath. We have the bath. We can shower there together.
Yeah. that's
We
crazy,
can
right?
swim. We can swim here.
Yeah.
It's hot and cold also, right?
Yeah.
Look how big is this bathroom. Then the baby is getting pink because it's hot.
Yeah, of course.
Look
So-
how big is that.
Then we have so much
Oh
room
my god.
now.
Oh my god, I want to see outside also.
Oh, okay, let's go outside. Let's check out the living room also.
Oh yeah, the living room. Oh my goodness. Look how big is this place. Look how big our house now.
Yeah.
Look how big is that.
Then look, you can
Turn
watch.
the aircon on, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's so
Later.
And this is my favorite part. Oh my god, I can do karaoke here myself.
Yeah.
I'll just
Then these covers, them I wanna take them off. I don't wanna keep them later. We're gonna take them off.
Yeah. Oh my god, I have this.
But look at this
Oh,
couch size, guys. Check this. Where's the thing?
That's my favorite couch.
Where's the thing? Oh, look at this. Kaboom.
Ooh, I
Oh,
can just
la
relax.
la.
Oh my god, I can just relax for
Yeah, you can put the baby here. You can just chill, you
Oh,
know.
that's for you, that's mine.
Yeah,
And we have a very big couch. Oh my god.
that's perfect.
This is the dream house. This
Yeah.
is what I want. I want a big one like
Of
this.
course, let's go outside now.
I can feel it.
Let's go outside.
I can feel my family.
Yeah, and we're gonna take this table. We're gonna put it on this room, so we will have lots of room here for the baby. Because we already have a table here. You know, why the hell you need two tables? Okay, baby girl, you
Okay,
ready?
let's go outside.
Go outside.
Let's see. This is oh, they live that royal here.
Yeah.
This is our
Yeah,
what
look
is
at this.
it? What is
Boards.
it? Yeah.
Boards.
We have a nice
And
chair
check this. We
here.
have a second kitchen also.
And we have the kitchen where I can cook my dry fish.
Yeah. Then we have two kitchens.
And I have my ref here also. We have ref. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Damn, look how much
have
space we
this.
have. It's crazy.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, damn, they clean everything.
Yeah.
Oh, they have fun here. Oh, it's perfect.
That's crazy.
Welcome to the garden. Oh,
And
wow, the
guys-
garden is so clean.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's 4,000 liters of the
look
water.
what we have. Corn.
Yeah, and there's a
What's
tomato.
inside of those?
That's tomato. I don't know what's there.
Huh?
I don't know what's there.
Can we go?
Yeah, you can go, but your legs will get dirty.
It's grass here.
Damn, what
Look
a
at
nice place.
here. Oh, tomato here.
Yeah, there's tomato.
Here's
Yeah.
tomato. What's inside of here?
I don't know.
Is it ginger?
Maybe. Yeah, ginger. Yeah.
This is rambutan.
Yeah. That's where they do the
Ginger.
fire.
What is
Guys, look
this?
at this. The coconuts. How much coconuts?
We will
Yeah.
get coconut later.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
think we can get coconut?
Damn, here I will put my
We have
raptor,
so
guys.
much
Take this. So
coconut.
much room. I put my motorbike here, and we have a shack
That's where
over
we
there.
can park the car, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's nice, right?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God, we have the lemongrass and the papaya.
Mhm.
There is even papaya there.
Over there
Oh,
we have
wow.
bananas coming. We have
Oh
the
my
grapes growing.
Oh wow, we have water here.
Yeah,
also.
we have water
pudding.
here. We can wash everything motorbike here so
Yeah.
nicely.
Wow,
under
that's a
the
very
shade.
big parking.
Yeah.
We can park 2 cars. Let's see what's in here. Oh my God, I'm enjoying it.
I'm enjoying it.
Though I don't have slipper. Oh, there you go. Now I can have flowers.
Be careful, don't.
I can have flowers now. Look,
Yeah.
look how nice that. Oh my God, I didn't know the garden was this nice.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
And look at this. Look at how the coconut is so short.
I don't know,
Ah,
but,
you can even climb. Look, there's the
Yeah.
thing.
but I will buy the bamboo leather.
Oh my God, I want the coconut. Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
I want coconut. And what's in here?
I don't know. He gave us the
What is
water
in
pressure.
here?
I don't know. It's just stuff where you can build. You know.
Ah,
Look what he gave us also.
what is that?
That's a pressure washer.
Oh wow.
A big one.
Wow, we have.
Yeah, a big one.
And we have the. What is this again?
That's a grapes.
The grapes.
Yeah,
we
we're gonna have
grapes.
grapes here. What they sell on the street.
Yeah, we just need to plant them always. Oh wow.
Yeah. So
Wow, look
Guys.
at it. Look how nice place we have.
yeah, look here. We have the
My favorite
water.
spot, the coconut.
You can just use this water
Yeah.
to plant. You know.
Oh my God, I can come here in the morning. I will just plant with the
Yeah.
baby. When he woke up, I will just go here,
Yeah.
water the plant. Oh my God, we can.
Are you amazed?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Then I
guys.
can put the baby in the stroller here easily.
Yeah, but I gotta start packing. We have stuff on the car, so I will get on it.
Oh wow.
Damn, tick, and then these are big bags, not small ones.
Then
Oh,
I wanna have karaoke here.
for sure.
Wanna
Yeah.
sing. Then
can
I
start.
will enjoy it so much here. If I were alone, I would just sing.
Okay.
Dad. Oh my God, I can't believe it's a very nice house, big one.
You wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Damn, they have very nice curtains. Damn, oh my goodness. Damn, the car is fully loaded.
Is it full?
No, yeah, it's fully loaded. And nothing has changed. Yeah, a little bit. Oh my goodness. I think we have to come like 5 times at least. Damn, I'm so tired already.
It's it.
Yeah, that's it. We got the food. Pak donuts.
Oh my God, the fries is just so good because I'm so hungry. That's why.
What about the baby? Is the baby also hungry?
Yeah, he's full. Okay.
Let's do the last inspection. What the hell did we do here? What bad did we do here? In this room we didn't do anything. Here we did this. You know, just for a video proof, you know. So here, that's our basura here. We're not gonna clean this, yeah, because they have our 30,000 pesos. Let them use this. Let's hire cleaners.
This is the room.
Yeah, here we didn't do also anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all
We
good.
do everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, we didn't. That's the only thing we did. We're gonna leave it a little bit dirty on the wall, and that's it. Damn, so tired. We even take our basura.
Yeah.
Look at this. I just clean everything here. We're gonna eat ice cream and we're gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then I have to come back here tomorrow.
Yeah.
I need to take the Selina scooter to the workshop to
Yeah,
fix the
fix
tires,
it.
and I need to take my motorbike. At last, then we are finally in with everything. Only thing is motorcycles tomorrow. Then look how much stuff we have. Look how nice sports. In the evening, you can just sit here and them so much light right also. Yeah, we have to figure out where we're gonna put the couch. But one thing I want to do, I want to remove these covers because under those covers there is a very, very nice couch. Look at this. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like these covers. Yeah, they have a very nice couch here.
It's so bright here. Yeah, because you turn in the room.
Okay.
Look in the room.
No, I turn it off.
Oh, you turn it. Okay, was the curtain. And look at this sound.
Oh, we need to put the oil. Yeah, we need to put the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the oil. Oh, we finally did this. Oh my god. Selena will try to put the baby to sleep. Baby has done such a good job today. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, ding 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 ding. And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.